Question 27. For this question, we need to pay attention to the mass and the units. So notice that what we're given here is the mass of silicon in a 50-gram sample. And we are asked to compare it to the composition of alloy cube. But notice what we're given up here is not the mass of silicon in alloy cube. Rather, what we're given is the percent by mass in alloy cube. So it's saying if we take a sample of alloy cube, 80% of it's going to be aluminum, 10% of it's going to be silicon, 0.28% is going to be manganese, and 0.22% will be magnesium. So what we need to do first is convert these values and find what percentage silicon is of these different samples. Now, I know you don't have your calculator on the science, and so what you need to do is be strategic about what numbers you solve for. So look at W and X. If you divide 0.1 by 50, or 0.11 or 0.14, that's not even going to break 1%. But we see that silicon is all the way up here at 10% in alloy cube. So we know that W and X are not going to be the right answer. And so we don't even need to do long division to solve that. Then all you're considering is two different numbers, 2.7 and 5.4. Now, hopefully you can tell that if you divide 5.4 divided by 50, that's going to be roughly 0.1, which comes out to 10%. So you find that D is the right answer. But if you really feel the need to, you can do long division, and you'll find that 2.7 divided by 50 is going to be 0.054, comes out to 5.4%. And then if you did the same for 5.4 divided by 50, you would find that the answer is 0.108, which is 10.8%, which is the exact amount of silicon that alloy Q has, which is why the right answer is